A warm welcome to everyone tuning in. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the human brain, an organ so complex it's often referred to as the most intricate object in the universe. This central organ of our nervous system, composed of the cerebrum, brainstem, and cerebellum, controls all our bodily activities, processes information, and makes decisions. It's a marvel of nature, with over 86 billion neurons facilitating brain activity through neural pathways and neurotransmission. Each hemisphere of the brain, divided into 4 lobes, associates with specific functions, making us who we are. It's a journey worth taking, and we invite you to subscribe and share this video, helping us spread this knowledge far and wide. So buckle up and prepare to delve into the incredible world of the human brain. To truly appreciate the marvel that is the human brain, we need to journey back in time and explore its evolutionary history. Our tale begins around 7 million years ago, with the dawn of the hominids, our earliest ancestors. These early hominids had brains roughly a third the size of ours, but they were already showing signs of advancing beyond their primate cousins, with an increased capacity for problem solving and tool use. Fast forward a couple of million years to the emergence of Homo erectus. With brains roughly 2/3 the size of ours, these early humans were already starting to demonstrate some of our most defining traits. They were making and using complex tools, controlling fire, and perhaps even beginning to develop rudimentary forms of language. But the real game changer came with the emergence of our own species, Homo sapiens, around 200,000 years ago. Our brains are not significantly larger than those of Homo erectus, but they are structurally different. The modern human brain has a highly developed frontal lobe, the area of the brain responsible for abstract thinking, planning, and creativity. This development, coupled with the evolution of complex language, has allowed us to build societies, create art, and ask questions about our own existence. With each evolutionary step, our ancestors' brains became better equipped to handle more complex tasks, setting the stage for the development of modern human cognition. It's a testament to the incredible power of evolution that a mass of cells weighing just over 3 pounds can produce everything that makes us human, from our deepest thoughts and emotions to our most innovative ideas and creations. Now that we've traced the evolution of our brain, let's explore the structure of the modern human brain. This remarkable organ is the epicenter of our nervous system, composed of 3 primary parts: the cerebrum, the brainstem, and the cerebellum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and it's responsible for higher brain functions such as thinking, learning, and consciousness. It's divided into 2 hemispheres, each with an inner core of white matter and an outer layer of gray matter. These hemispheres are further divided into 4 lobes, each associated with specific functions. For example, the frontal lobe is linked with reasoning and problem solving, while the temporal lobe plays a key role in processing sensory input and creating memories. Next, we have the brainstem, an essential part that connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord. It controls many automatic functions of the body like heartbeat and breathing. It's our survival center, overseeing functions we don't consciously control. The cerebellum, though smaller in size, has a crucial role to play. It's connected to the brainstem and is responsible for motor control, balance, and coordination. It's the reason we can move without constantly thinking about it. Now let's dive a little deeper. The brain isn't just a mass of tissue, it's a complex network of neurons and glial cells, over 86 billion neurons to be precise. These neurons communicate through neural pathways, facilitated by a process called neurotransmission. This is the brain's way of sending and receiving messages, controlling everything from our heartbeat to our emotions. But remember, the brain isn't just about structure, it's about function too. The complexity of our brain structure enables us to think, feel, and experience the world in ways that no other species can. From creating symphonies to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, it's all thanks to this intricate organ housed within our skulls. The human brain is not just a biological organ, it's the seat of our consciousness, the essence of who we are. This 3-pound mass of gray and white matter sitting at the top of our spinal cord is the epicenter of our inner world, the headquarters of our human experience. It's the maestro that orchestrates the symphony of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Every idea, every emotion, every decision, and every action originates from this incredible organ. Consider the vast landscape of our thoughts. The brain is like a ceaseless thought factory, producing an endless stream of ideas, insights, memories, and dreams. It's the birthplace of our imagination, the canvas on which we paint our inner realities. Then, there are our emotions, which act like the color palette of our lives. Joy, sadness, anger, fear, love, all of these hues of human experience are painted by our brain. It's the brain that interprets signals from the world around us and transforms them into these emotional experiences. Now, let's talk about our behavior. Every action we take, from the simplest reflex to the most sophisticated ballet move, is coordinated by the brain. It's like a grand puppet master, pulling the strings of our bodily actions in a dance of life. Not to mention, the brain is also our decision-making hub. Every day we make countless decisions, from what to wear to life-changing choices. The brain weighs the pros and cons, assesses risks and rewards, and finally hits the gavel on the decision. But as with any powerhouse, the brain needs maintenance. Just like a car needs fuel and regular servicing, our brain requires healthy nutrition, physical exercise, mental stimulation, and adequate sleep. It's crucial to protect this precious organ from injury and disease, for it's our brain that defines our existence. Our brain is truly the command center of our lives, influencing every thought, feeling, and action. We've journeyed through the evolution and structure of the human brain and explored its profound impact on our lives. We've seen how this complex organ, composed of the cerebrum, brainstem, and cerebellum, serves as the central command for our nervous system. We delved into the intricacies of the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, with its two hemispheres each associated with specific functions. We've also learned about the vital role of the brainstem in connecting the cerebrum to our spinal cord and the cerebellum's role in motor control. We've discussed the significance of the brain's evolution, its present form, and the role it plays in our daily lives. It is clear that understanding this intricate organ is crucial not only for neuroscientists, but for each one of us. The more we understand about our brain, the better we can appreciate its capacity and work towards maintaining its health. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the human brain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep your mind curious and your brain healthy.